Hello, I'm Dr. Manas Kumar Chaudhary. I'm working as a principal in Guwahati, Kaziranga English Academy. It's a residential school. And it's really, I had an enriching experience. It was interesting, it was enriching, and I feel it's a kind of, it has worked as kind of a scale to assess myself. Means what qualities we leaders should have, and this workshop has helped us to assess ourselves. It's a kind of scale, that's why I'm telling, scale for self-assessment, and this is very, very important, I feel. And after attending this workshop, I feel I can lead my team with more conviction and more confidence. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ICT.
If you like the video, please subscribe our channel. Press the bell icon to get the notification for a new video.